You have a number. It rings. Nobody picks up and nobody calls back. Before you assume you're being ignored, consider that you might be calling a number they abandoned years ago and never bothered to tell anyone about. People do this constantly. They get a new phone, port the number, then a year later switch to a cheap carrier and let the old line lapse. The number keeps ringing for a while. It rolls to a voicemail box nobody checks. From your side, it looks identical to being screened. The first thing to establish is whether the line is actually connected and actually theirs. A line type and status check answers that in minutes without a single call. If the line is dead or reassigned, the search is a locate, not a persuasion problem. You need their current number, which means matching the person, child's name, date of birth, address history, relatives, prior addresses, against records of active phone accounts. If the line is live and it is theirs, that's different information, and it's still useful. It means the person is reachable, and it usually means there's a reason they're not engaging. In that case, a different channel often works better. A verified current address, a workplace, a relative who will pass a message. Either way, you stop guessing. We do this every day. People Locator Skip Tracing has been locating people and their current contact information since 2004, and will tell you honestly which of those two situations you're in before you waste another month.